I can just prepare you for the next session. So I'll do that as I have 5 minutes time. If you will be patient, I'll ask that I bring up a couple of slides that I have prepared for this next session. Okay, so just before the break then, some words from me around session agenda item 13, which is on the UNGGIM IGIF, the Integrated Geospatial Information Framework, and open data, the value proposition. So this session 13 includes a panel session, which will be chaired by Stuart Minchin, who is Director General of the Pacific Community. And that panel session will seek to answer these two questions here. In terms of the panel members, that should be in your agenda, but the panel members I will introduce to you to now. But initially, I'll introduce you to the speakers. And the intent of this session is really to start a discussion on the value and benefits of geospatial information, the framework and sharing data. And the outcome we're seeking is action and commitments from the conference to collaborate to develop a strategy to support implementation of IGIF, understand the value of open data and commit to sharing data. So it's really, the intent is to start this discussion at this point in time. I don't think we would necessarily get into specifics, but if I can now introduce the speakers. So a short bio for the speakers. We have Andy Coote, who is the Chief Executive and Principal Consultant of Consulting Ware. He's based in the UK and has extensive experience in the development and use of information systems, specialising in the management of location-enabled applications. So he has held senior management positions, both public and private sector, in the UK, Seychelles, and has expertise in strategy development and implementation, return on investment and market assessment. He has undertaken an extensive range of strategic assignments, and he will share those with you. He's worked for many customers, including World Bank, European Union, and indeed LINS. We also have, as a second speaker in the session, we have Perlin, who you met yesterday, and she'll be giving us an update and an introduction onto the IGIF Hydro, which is being developed. And then we have a presentation from Dr. Leslie Arnold on open data, achieving the value proposition. So Leslie is Director of Geospatial Frameworks. I know she's based in Perth, Western Australia. She's a principal consultant working with organisations to develop strategies and policies for spatial information reform, open data initiatives and innovation globally. So then we have the panel session, and the panel session participants would be Andy Coote, Dr. Leslie Arnold, and we're very pleased and delighted that Kim Pickard from Geoscience Australia and leader for AusSeabed will join the panel discussion as well.